Right there, look at it. See that big thing with the bucket? That is the cider press.
How do you get down?
How do you get it down?
Yeah.
We make cider in it.
How?
Let's go. Here we are in the backyard.
Here we have the Cuccolinis, yes!
Dad!
There's no construction going on here. It always looks like this.
What is that?
Wow. Mary, what do you think of all this?
Whee!
Big slab they dropped here. It's like a...
Next.
Oh, I know what it looks like.
Ew, mud!
Careful now.
No!
Over there.
Don't
Wall.
move!
Another wall.
You're
Step
getting
on
to
the
it!
Uh-huh.
No!
Will, what are you doing?
Get in! You're gonna fall!
Be careful, Will.
Mary, stay off it. You're too little.
It's a trapeze.
Be careful, Willie. Come on, honey.
Oh, oh yeah.
Actually, it's not a bad view.
We'll help it.
Whoa! It's just like, you're the turtle. Careful those bells, yeah.
Hey, Dan. Awesome! Here, Dan. Well, I don't want to go there. Hey, look at me!
Press.
The site of the center press.
Freshly sealed. Recently assembled.
I bought it in a non-kit form, even though I still have to do some assembly.
Neat.
Okay.
Ew.
We've got lots of apples.
Got
Okay.
it.
They're in the back of my car. All right.
And we got tons of wood. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be fun.
This is
Ah!
way.
I'm pushing the balloons.
There we go. Look in here. Okay.
Oh, you can play this game.
Who's that? Who's that up there?
It's me.
Bridget!
Yeah, we're getting apples.
What are you doing up there in your room? Are you up there for a reason?
Picking her up.
Oh, you cleaning your room?
Yeah, because she squeezed my neck hard.
Just started? Okay, let's hurry up so you can come down and
Roll
join us.
over, come down.
Okay?
Go all over.
I put this in.
Okay, hold on.
Reggie, how come you're not going to come down and see me?
I'm gonna put this
You're wounding me.
All right.
Dad, does it good?
The thing is, what you're going to do here, all right? First, you're going to chop up the apple in little pieces. Okay?
Okay.
Then we're going to push it down and press it.
Don't put your hand in there, though.
Yeah.
It's going to get real.
You'll have Band-Aids on everything.
Let's let Dan try it first.
have to do it wicked fast.
Ooh.
Okay, give one to Dan.
Hey, Dave, now go get an apple and throw it in.
I can't do
You certainly can.
No, let Dan do the wheel.
Wait a second.
Keep your hands out of there now.
Yeah,
Don't put your hands in like that, Dan.
All the way, Dan.
Okay,
All the
other
way.
way.
I'm already
Gotta
one
pull
way
it
there.
inside. Attaboy.
It's impossible to
Yeah,
shoot.
do it wicked fast.
Mary, you want to put an apple
Come
in?
there, let's throw one in.
Come
See
throw
what
an
happens.
apple in, Mary.
Oh, I'm
Come
excited.
throw one in.
Keep it going, Dan.
Okay, Dad, do it fast.
Just throw one in, and then we'll give you a turn at the wheel.
Yeah,
Go ahead, Dan. Keep going.
That's it, Dan.
Mary, now
You're
you throw
doing
one
it.
in.
You're doing it, Dan. Doing it, man. You're doing it. You're doing it. Come on, Dan. Do it faster, faster.
Honey.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Come on, Dan. Ugh. Gotta get that momentum going.
Keep it going and let us throw in the apples while you're keeping it going. How about if we give Mary a turn?
Oh, wow. Robin! Okay.
How about if we give Mary a turn? There you go.
Woo!
Make it go as hard as you can and keep making it go hard.
Mary, you have
Fast as you can.
to... Very like this. That's
Go
it.
ahead, Mary, it's a problem, honey.
Mary, you can do it. Let's try it.
Go ahead, towards me.
Damn, she's got an apple.
She doesn't want any help.
No, really.
No, the other way, honey.
That's right.
This way.
Ow!
Keep going. That's it.
That's it, Mary.
Okay, keep it going.
Oh, slowing down.
This is Sue grinding an apple.
Have a turn.
Oh, no.
This one.
Throw it in.
Wow, amazing. Keep it moving. Come on.
It's okay, dear sister. Come on.
You want to turn the wheel? Sure.
What is this one?
I'm getting splashed. Ah, Mary. Whoa.
Oh! I was throwing them at your child. He's through with you.
I did put a whole bunch of them in.
This is the face of a man who won't even take his wife to buy a can of paint.
Here he is, manually making cider.
Hey, there's someone here.
Oh, excellent.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, green. Ready?
Put it on the piece. It's on film.
Look at this. It's all on film, guys.
This is a disgrace.
We're in our house.
No, that's going to hurt when Dan spins it. Okay.
Ready?
Hey, where's my apples?
I'm ready.
Listen to it.
Throw the apples in.
It's recording. It's recording. Look through it. Which do you want to take?
What's the red thing for?
Big one.
It means you're recording. It means it's on.
He will. Turn around.
This, Will.
I can't.
Now, this is the
He's gonna.
quick juggle, see?
Wow.
Wait, wait, well, here's the real pro.
That's me.
Here.
I'm not doing it. No.
Dan, you got to give Mary a turn, too.
I'm an apple.
No, one person throws them in, one person turns the wheel.
Yeah.
Go. The other way, huh? The other way.
Okay, Mommy!
Well, go. Go ahead, then.
Get it going good enough. Throw it in for you.
You see
all right?
Penn State?
No, not yet. We'll let you get to
16?
spin it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Other way, babe.
Other way.
I hope it
Other way.
continues.
Do this.
You're
I'm
fast.
gonna do it.
Mary, what's going on here? What is it?
Just grab the bottle, honey. Is it still going in?
Here we go.
Let me do this, Mom. Yes, hold it, an apple, don't eat it.
Good. You got to drink some?
That is delicious. Look at going to that center back. My goodness.
Have we done this before?
We did.
Yes.
This is the first time since we had a real audience and cameras and forgot the strainer.
Yeah.
You panicked. You just...
It's terrible. Actually, in a way, it's nice. I think it's bloody a nuisance to
Clean that.
clean. Yeah.
Mary, don't move the bottle, hon.
Isn't it?
It's good to drink.
Daddy,